Welcome. This is an introductory video for the Film and Television Literature Index with full text. This is a database that is provided to San Jose State University students through the King Library Resources. It is part of the EBSCOhost collection of databases, and it is one that every student should know about. From an academic perspective, the target audience for this database would be any students of radio, film, and/or television studies. However, the periodicals in the database are more than just academic or scholarly journals. There are also many popular magazines, trade publications, and even some books included. So fans of particular movies or television shows would find desired information by searching specific show titles or even the names of actors or directors and producers. The content is appropriate for any researcher, academic or non-academic, and it would be a useful tool for industry professionals as well. But at San Jose State, we offer a rich variety of radio, television, film courses, abbreviated RTVF, and also a robust theater arts selection of courses, abbreviated TA. So students in some of these introductory RTVF courses should be accessing this database because of the research and writing assignments that are required in these courses. Here are some of the most popular research-related courses in the degree program, but some of these can also be taken by non-majors to satisfy general education requirements. Likewise, students taking these popular theater arts courses should also be accessing this database. And again, some of these options for courses might be taken just to satisfy general education requirements in arts and humanities. For specific questions about this discipline or about the Film and Television Literature Index with full text database, we have a subject librarian at the King Library, Paul Capilla. His campus telephone number is area code 408-808-2042, or he can be reached by email at paul.capilla@sjsu.edu. But you can also find him in the faculty directory for the King Library. In summary, the Film and Television Literature Index with full text is the pinnacle resource for researchers of film and television, providing the most comprehensive, balanced collection of full text and bibliographic coverage from scholarly and popular sources, film and television journals, international periodicals, monographs, yearbooks, conference papers, and much more. And as I noted earlier, it is part of the collection of fee-based online research services provided by EBSCOhost. So what does that mean? The database boasts of containing more than 160 full-text journals and more than 160 full-text books. It contains indexing and abstracts for nearly 560 total journals, and movie reviews dating back to 1914, as well as articles on current shows, even on currently popular Netflix programs. There is also an image archive that contains more than 63,000 images. It will basically give you anything you want to know about any movies, TV shows, theater productions, commercials, actors, directors, or producers that you can think of, from 1914 to today. Major subjects covered include cinematography, film and television theory, preservation and restoration of recordings, the production process, critical reviews by viewers, technical aspects involved in creation, and screenwriting. These are a few of the popular periodical titles in the database. As you can see, some of them are trade publications, like Advertising Age and Adweek. Some are popular magazines like American Film, Black Film Review, and Business Week. And some are academic journals like Cinema Journal, Communication Quarterly, and Film Studies. There are also books in this list. Disability and the Media and Gender and Film and the Media are two books listed. So it is important to know what type of source you found when you're going through your search results. Most often, if the title of the periodical says journal in it, it is an academic journal. And another key phrase, title phrase to look for is studies or studies in, because these periodicals are also generally going to be scholarly journals. And you can see examples of some of those listed here on this next slide here. So, to access the database, visit the SJSU King Library homepage, and toward the top of the website, directly beneath the One Search box, you'll see a link for articles and databases. If you click on this link, it will give you an alphabetized list of databases that we subscribe to. So you can locate the Film and Television Literature Index with full text by scrolling through the list, or more quickly, by clicking on F and then locating it with the other databases that also begin with F. And when you click on the title of that database, it will open a new window, much like the other EBSCO databases if you are familiar with those. You'll see Film and Television Literature Index with full text listed at the top there, and you'll have 3 boxes for combining search terms. You can easily add more search terms if you need them by clicking on the plus sign, but we will look at that in another video tutorial. So just for your information, if you have additional courses in the performing arts, you might also be interested in these related databases, which are also part of the EBSCO platform. International Bibliography of Theater and Dance, the Play Index, the Music Index, Humanities Source Ultimate, RILM Abstracts of Music Literature, and the Index to Printed Music. But this one, the Film and Television Literature Index, is a fantastic place to start. And again, the SJSU subject librarian who specializes in this field is Paul Capilla, and here is his contact information again if you need it. And best of luck to you in your research adventures.